Hello everyone, this is Lasya Pishetti and our group members are Danyashri BV, Kavana KG and Madhura MT, and we are doing a presentation on the topic Wi-Fi connectivity issue and reporting system. In this, we are covering the contents like introduction, abstract, problem statement, objectives, methodology, software and hardware requirements. And firstly, into the introduction, the Wi Fi connectivity issue reporting system is a web based application designed to streamline the process of identifying and reporting internet connectivity problems. The problems which are faced by the user will be submitted in a user friendly form. The submitted information can then be accessed by the administrator or technical teams to diagnose and fix the issue. It allows the user to submit the issue related to Wi-Fi networks by filling out a user-friendly form. This project is built using React.js for frontend, ensuring a responsive and dynamic user experience. Abstract will be covered by Danyashri BV.
Myself, Danyashri BB. I was going to say about the abstract. Wi-Fi connectivity reporting issue is a platform for users to report Wi-Fi connectivity problems quickly and easily. It in this React-based front end is used to ensure a simple and responsive user interface, and it is also intended for use in environment like colleges, offices, or large buildings. This project improves communication between users and network administrator. It also helps to identify problem-prone areas and maintain better network reliability through tracking. Nextly, I was going to say about the problem statement. In large institutions such as university or corporate campuses, users often experience a Wi-Fi connectivity issues like slow internet speeds, frequent disconnections, or complete loss of connection. To address this, there is a need of Wi-Fi connectivity issue reporting system. Nextly, continue by.
I am Madhura. I am presenting objectives. Objectives to provide user-friendly interface between the staffs, employees facing the connectivity problems in the user-friendly interface for students, staffs, for or employees for reporting the Wi-Fi connectivity issues easily and quickly to streamline the complaint submission process, to ensure the faster communication, to improve the tracking and stability, allowing the technical team to manage and resolve the problems quickly, to build a scalable and reusable front end to encourage proactive maintenance. Strategy, requirement analysis, identifying the need of Wi-Fi reporting issues in educational or workplace environment, gathering a user requirements such as categories, location input, and user feedback features, technology selection. Choose React.js for the front-end development for its speed and reusability and reactive UI, interactive UI capabilities. Design components like input forms, issue cards, and dashboards using the modern React principles. UI UX design. Design a design a clean and responsive user interface using HTML, CSS, and React components. Ensure that the interface is accessible on the desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. Build key screens, homepage, reporting form, and issue confirmation group. Front-end development, implement components used React for issues form, real-time validation, and confirmation messages, navigation using React Router, testing and debugging. Test the form on the different devices for browsers responsiveness, fix layout issues, input validation, and ensure smooth user experience. Next will be continued by Kavana.
Hello everyone, I will be explaining the software and hardware requirements for the front end and part of our project. Let's begin with the Software components. We used Windows 10 as our operating system, but uh, Linux or Mac OS can also be used. Our front end is built using React JS along with the standard and technologies with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. We used Visual Studio's code as our main code editor, so any code editor can be used based on the performance. Node.js version 14 or higher, and npm the node package manager are required to run and manage our project dependencies. For texting, we use the latest version of Chrome. Next, moving on to the hardware components. The system with the minimum Intel Core i3 processor is enough, but an i5 or above is advisable. Hmm, The bare minimum RAM needed is 4 GB, but a minimum of 8 GB or above for any development. We require a minimum of 1 GB of hard disk space for a file use for project files and initialization. A minimum monitor size of 13 inches with a resolution of 1366 by 768 or above is required to visualize the layout correctly. And lastly, an internet connection is required for the package downloading and development purposes. Thank you and all.